Okay, we're going to be looking through the PL900 Microsoft Learn. So we're going to go through the modules. They have 10 modules. And then they have where you can do a knowledge check. Okay. So just to easily find out the right answers, we can click on anything here and check answers. So we can find out the answer. Configure a Power BI report to capture and analyze data from Twitter. Power Automate. Trigger. Microsoft Power Platform offers the ability to create custom connectors for this purpose. Connectors connect your data source to your app, workflow, or dashboard. Right. Click on the overview, knowledge check. Then we have the intro to Dataverse. I'm going to be looking for the knowledge check. Click on the bottom answers. How can business rules be used in both Canvas and model-driven apps to validate data and show error messages? The manager has built a solution using the Microsoft Dataverse using a few of the standard tables included. Use the built-in date column within the table to store the date values, but rename the column to date confirmed. One of your coworkers set up a model-driven application using Dataverse. Use a business rule to make the cost center field require if the expendable field is true. We'll do a knowledge check on Introduction to Power Apps. Check the answers. You want to build a mobile app that allows you complete control of the user experience. Canvas app. Or we train and use an object detection model in your app with an AI builder. And how can data sources be used with Power Apps, Canvas apps? Power Apps can use multiple internal and external data sources in the same app. Your sales team is in desperate need of a mobile application that can display roles living in a SharePoint list. Create a gallery to display the roles. You've been tasked with creating a Power App that can scan barcodes. This is under the media. Create a formula for your gallery that uses the filter function. How to build a Canvas app. Microsoft Power Platform, Dataverse, Power Apps, Canvas app. We'll do model driven, Power Automate, Automated Solution, Power BI, how to build a dashboard. Knowledge check. I think this one is Sitemap Designer. Standard procedure or process for handling service requests. Ooh, I don't know. Let's see. Alright, when you build a model-driven app, which designer is used to define the navigation of your app? The Sitemap Designer. If you want to create a standard procedure or process for handling service requests, what type of logic would be best to implement? Business process flow. Users need to be added to a predefined custom security role and one or more security roles need to be associated with the app. Model-driven. Power Automate, knowledge check. Check my answers. To secure and administer Power Automate, you can use what resources? Via PowerShell or even by building flows directly from the Power Automate Builder website. Power Automate can connect to data sources, 600 pre-built connectors. Power Automate. How to build an automated solution, knowledge check. Alright, we're going to be, one of your colleagues would like to set up a flow to write an item to a SharePoint list. See if any templates are available for this scenario. If one exists, use that. Otherwise, create a blank flow when an email is received trigger. Generate an approval flow from the built-in SharePoint approvals function on your SharePoint list. Have the users navigate to the Approval Center and Power Automate. You can create a flow to monitor a SharePoint list for approved items, then tweak the details. Solution. Then, of course, they have a knowledge check on Power BI. This one is it tiles, visualizations, and dashboard. I don't think tiles is involved for some reason. Alright, Power BI helps with which of the following business processes? Analyzing and displaying data, which is the way that Power BI can help you effectively leverage your data. Analyze sales, analyze customer data. What are the three modalities of Power BI designed to let people create, share, and consume business insights? That's desktop, service, and mobile apps. So tiles is not involved, even though it seems like tiles should be involved. Okay, we got dashboard left. Knowledge check on dashboard. Dashboard one-page collection. You can do this. Check my answers. A dashboard is a one-page collection. You can add the @ symbol to mention a colleague in a comment. What is one method for creating a visual? Drag a field from the fields list onto the report view in Canvas. Build a dashboard. The very last one, introduction to Power Virtual Agents. So we would say these are chat bots. What is the benefit of using Power Virtual Agents? What defines how a chatbot conversation plays out? Either could be topics or entities. Let's see. We know this one. Check your answers. So that's confusing. What's the benefit to using Power Virtual Agents? Improve customer satisfaction. What defines how a chatbot conversation plays out? Your topics. Where can you not publish a chatbot to YouTube? Let's see here.